In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a writing portfolio website in Wix. First, head over to Wix and click Get Started. From there, sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create New Site to begin building your portfolio. Next, choose your website type. For a writing portfolio, or blog are both great options depending on how you want to present your work. Wix will guide you through a few setup questions which help tailor the experience to your goals. After that, you'll choose between the Wix AI website builder or selecting a template manually. If you want more automation, the AI option can help. If you prefer more control over the look and layout, choosing a template manually is usually the better fit. Once you reach the template gallery, browse through the available designs and look for something clean, polished, and professional. Since this is a writing portfolio, readability matters more than flashy design. When you find a template you like, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Now it's time to create the essential pages your site needs. On the home page, include a strong professional headline, a short introduction, featured writing samples, and a clear call to action button so visitors know what to do next. On the About page, add your background, writing specialties, experience, qualifications, and a professional photo. Your portfolio page should showcase writing samples, case studies, published articles, and copywriting projects. Then create a contact page with a contact form, social media links, and a LinkedIn profile. For privacy, avoid reading personal contact details out loud in your final content unless you're comfortable displaying them publicly. After that, upload your writing samples. Click Add Elements, then choose either a gallery or a repeater. Use this section to upload blog articles, copywriting samples, guest posts, PDFs, and case studies. Make sure each sample includes a title and description so visitors immediately understand what they're looking at. To keep everything organized, create categories such as blog writing, SEO content, copywriting, social media content, email marketing, technical writing, and ghostwriting. This helps potential clients or employers quickly find the type of work that matters most to them. If you want, you can also add a blog. Click Add Apps, search for Wix blog, install it, then create articles that demonstrate your expertise and organize those posts by category. Finally, customize the design with professional fonts, a consistent color scheme, your logo or branding, and spacing that improves readability. Then open site settings and go to the SEO setup checklist to add page titles, meta descriptions, keywords, and alt text for images and connect your site to search engines. After that, go to settings, select domains, connect or purchase a custom domain, preview the site, test links and forms, check the mobile version, and click publish when everything looks right.